Monitoring Kafka performance. Key metrics and tools. Apache Kafka is key for real-time data processing. It enables data streaming between apps, systems, and services in event-driven architectures. As organizations use Kafka to manage large data, monitoring its performance is vital. It ensures reliability and efficiency. Monitoring Kafka helps you find bottlenecks and optimize resources. It also ensures the system can handle expected loads. Understanding key metrics for Kafka performance. Here are some key metrics to keep an eye on. Consumer lag. This metric shows how many messages a consumer must process. Monitoring consumer lag helps in identifying if consumers are keeping up with producers. If the lag keeps increasing, it might mean consumers cannot process the incoming data. Disk utilization. As Kafka stores messages on disk, monitoring disk usage is essential. High disk usage may cause slowdowns or data loss. Essential tools for monitoring Kafka. Kafka's JMX Metrics. Kafka exposes metrics through Java Management Extensions, JMX. JMX allows you to check various Kafka components, including brokers, producers, and consumers. Prometheus and Grafana. Prometheus is a strong monitoring system. It collects metrics from targets at specified intervals. When paired with Grafana, a visualization tool, it provides a UI to view Kafka metrics. This combo is popular for monitoring Kafka. Best practices for Kafka monitoring. Set up alerts. Create alerts for critical metrics. Watch for consumer lag, high latency, and low throughput. Alerts can help you proactively identify and address performance issues before they escalate. Check resource utilization. Watch Kafka's CPU, memory, and disk use. Monitoring resource usage can help identify bottlenecks and inform decisions about scaling. Conclusion. In conclusion, monitoring Kafka performance is vital. It ensures your data streaming system is reliable and efficient. By tracking key metrics, organizations can find performance issues. Metrics include throughput, latency, consumer lag, disk use, and network I/O. To improve Kafka's performance, use the right monitoring tools and practices. Also, be ready to fix common performance issues.